Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of elegant floral arrangements with the Frociviny 100 bouquet pins. If you're looking to add a touch of sophistication and glamour to your floral designs, you've come to the right place. Introducing the Frociviny 100 bouquet pins, the ultimate accessory for any bouquet or corsage. These pins are not just your average floral pins. They're a game changer in the world of DIY crafts and event decorations. What sets these pins apart? Let's talk about the exquisite design. Each pin features a plastic diamond head that adds a touch of sparkle and elegance to any floral arrangement. The steel metal bit ensures durability and reliability, making these pins perfect for weddings, anniversaries, proms, and more. With a length of 2.10 inches and a 0.33-inch diameter for the diamond crystal heads, these pins provide the optimal size for decoration while remaining practical and easy to use. Plus, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 244 satisfied customers, you know you're getting quality you can trust. But wait, there's more. Each package includes a generous quantity of 100 bouquet corsage pins, accompanied by a convenient transparent storage box for easy organization. And with a price tag of just $5.99, you're getting unbeatable value for your money. So there you have it, folks. The Frociviny 100 bouquet pins are the best flower bouquet accessories on the market, hands down. Elevate your floral designs and create unforgettable moments with these elegant and versatile pins. Don't miss out. Get yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy crafting!